What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are pushing the absolute limits of AI music generation. Google just dropped Google Flow Music, powered by their brand new Lyria 3 Pro model, and it is a total game changer. Forget about turning complex knobs or staring at endless timelines. This platform lets you literally chat your track into existence, like you're talking to a professional studio producer. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to navigate the platform. And to test its true range, we are creating two completely different tracks. First, a moody, atmospheric English song, inspired by the dark synths of The Weeknd, the soaring vocals of Sia, and the experimental, haunting vibes of Radiohead. After that, we're switching gears entirely to create a high-energy, modern Hindi devotional song with heavy bass and traditional percussion. Let's dive in. So first, you'll want to open up any browser on your computer or mobile device. In the search bar, simply type in the platform name, Google Flow Music, just like you see on the screen right now. Hit enter, and you'll see a few different search results pop up. Go ahead and click on the main link that says Google Flow Music, and that'll take us straight to the platform dashboard. Now that we're on the dashboard, you can see this prompt input field right here. This is where you paste your creative ideas to generate the music. Now, you could try out some of these ready-made templates or concepts down here to get started, but in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build incredible music from scratch using custom prompts. So let's head straight to the prompt field and paste in our first style description. So here we go. I've pasted our custom style prompt right into the input field. And hey, don't worry about copying all of this down right now. I'm going to leave this exact prompt in the video description below so you can check it out and use it for yourself. Now, before we hit generate, let me give you a quick tour of some awesome customization features you can play with. If you look right down here and click the plus icon on the bottom left, it opens up a few advanced options. First, you can actually record your own voice live right inside the session itself. Alternatively, you can upload your own pre-recorded audio, musical loops, or reference tracks that you want the AI to blend into the mix. And finally, you can even add images to give the AI visual inspiration for creating custom album cover posters at the same time. Right next to that plus icon, we have the filters button. When you click on it, a menu pops up allowing you to completely customize how the AI processes your music. At the very top, you'll see Customize Producer, which lets you manage the project's overall progress, save memories, and fine-tune your workflow preferences. Below that is the Instrument section, where you can choose your frontier music model. And as you can see, we have the powerful Lyria 3 Pro selected for this session. Next up is Ghostwriter, which handles world-class lyric writing, currently set to the Pro version. And finally, right at the bottom, we have the Producer setting, where you can toggle the AI's processing speed between standard or fast thinking mode. All right, everything is set up perfectly. Now it's finally time to generate the music. Go ahead and click on that send button on the bottom right and watch the magic happen. The platform is going to start processing our prompt and cooking up the track right before our eyes. Let's see what we get. Now, it will take just a few moments to pull everything together. Behind the scenes, the AI is completely writing the lyrics for the song, structuring the vocal arrangements, and layering all the different instruments together. The entire process usually takes less than a minute, so sit tight while it finishes cooking up the track.
And just like that, our track is officially ready. Let's not waste any time. Turn up your speakers and let's listen to it right now.
Edge of iron, feet on glass, weightless hunger, minutes pass. Wind is screaming, tearing skin. Let the pressure fold you in. Heartbeat hammering, chest is tight. Blacked out horizon on, losing sight.
Man, that track turned out absolutely incredible. But now, it's time to switch gears completely and move towards generating our high-energy Hindi festive devotional music. Let's see how the platform handles this. As you can see, I've typed in a super short single-line prompt this time and hit send. The music generation process has already kicked off. Let's wait just a few moments to see how it handles a basic description and listen to how it sounds. Hold tight.
मिट्टी की खुशबू पाँव में दम ढोल की चोट बढ़ते कदम आंखों में नूर दिल में उमंग नाचेंगे आज हूँ देवन के संग सांसें गरम है थिरकता है तन अर्पण है तुझको मेरा ये मन हो रे ढोल बजे भक्ति का रंग ढोल बजे आयो रे आयो उत्सव आयो झूमे रे दुनिया ढोल बजे
Whoa, that was absolutely wild. It honestly felt like a massive, high-energy Bollywood dance song, which is exactly the kind of massive, festive energy we were trying to capture. The way it layered those heavy electronic drops over the traditional rhythms is just mind-blowing. So that is it, guys. That is how easily you can create, customize, and generate literally any style of music entirely on your own using Google Flow Music. Whether you're trying to cook up a dark, atmospheric alternative track or a booming festival anthem, the possibilities here are endless. Once your track is finished, you can simply hit download, grab your full mix or individual audio stems, and use them to level up your videos, games, or streaming projects. I've left all the prompts we used today down in the description box below, so go ahead, copy them, and start experimenting with your own crazy genre mashups. If you found this useful, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow creators, and absolutely subscribe to the channel right here at Binary Things. We are all about deep dives into full stack development, coding tutorials, and pushing the absolute limits of AI tools. So make sure you hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you so much for watching, keep creating, and I will see you all in the very next video. Peace!